All right, Dateline, Benicia, California, 5 p.m., September 27th. There's Sean trying to socialize a little bit, but I think he lost his way back to the table. So we had to walk down here and grab him. There he is. Now he hears my voice. Here he comes. And there's Petunia kind of strolling around. I lost track of Piolo. There he is. There's Piolo. And there's Nita photographing the action at the Benicia Dog Park.
Hi. Come on, Piolo.
Lots of activity going on here. Dogs everywhere. Actually, it's quieted down a little bit. It was busier a while ago. A few dogs have left. These little bulldogs down here are really high energy dogs. They keep coming over to say hi. And they've been just chasing that ball like crazy. Sean is actually pretty social. He visits everybody. He says hi to the people and says hi to the dogs. Even Piolo and Petunia. They say hi to everybody. Petunia is actually more social than Piolo. But when Petunia is done socializing, she is ready to go back to the table and act needy. Beautiful day, Benicia, California.